Yeah, he's out! Jackson Bird, he's been taking it away. He nips it back.
So the 5 overs I bowled before that, before that and during that session were absolute pies. I think I got hit for about 30 runs.
And that one gets worked to the onside. Is this the first boundary for him? Certainly looks like it. It's taken some time, but that would have felt good.
Just managed to nip one back off the seam and hit the top of off, which is what you try to do as a bowler. So nice to get one through the gate. But Younis Khan especially is a good player. So.
Yeah, he's out! Jackson Bird, he's been taking it away. He nips it back.
That's what he's been trying to do. That's why he was bowling fuller. He was hoping that the one will nip back.
Yeah, I suppose that's something, one of the dismissals I remember when I get old, I suppose. Yeah, but it was nice to, I suppose, make a right for the 5 overs of pies that I bowled before that. So.
Yeah, great feeling. Look at that. That's it.